Welcome to ClonerAlliance UHD Pro. If you've been searching for a way to capture video from any streaming device, like a Roku streaming stick, Firestick, Apple TV, or Android TV box, in stunning 4K resolution, you're in the right place. This can be incredibly useful for recording your favorite content before it disappears from streaming services over time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And it's so easy, you won't believe it. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. To make things simple, I've divided this video into two parts. 1. Unboxing. 2. Setup and usage. This is the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro 4K video recorder that's incredibly easy to use. And as you can see, some key features are listed on the box. 4K at 30 frames per second. Scheduled recording, UVC standard live streaming on Windows, Mac, and Linux ultra-low latency. Live commentary with line-in and line-out support. On the back of the box, there's a list of compatible devices, including set-top boxes, video cameras and camcorders, game consoles, Blu-ray players, streaming devices like Firestick, Roku, and Apple TV. Inside the box, you'll find a user manual and warranty information. The ClonerAlliance UHD Pro unit. A remote control requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. A power adapter. A micro USB cable. An HDMI cable. How to set up the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro. This device can record videos in up to 4K at 30 frames per second. It features line-in, line-out, microphone input, USB storage, HDMI input and output ports, as well as snapshot, record, and stop buttons. Simply plug in a USB flash drive, connect the HDMI in and out cables, attach the power adapter, and press the power button to turn on the ClonerAlliance UHD Pro. Once powered on, the video image will appear on your TV. Just press the record button to start recording. This product offers real-time HDMI pass-through and supports 4K at 60 frames per second video input, along with 1080p or 720p video recording. Switching between H.265 and H.264. Encoding is easy, just press the button on the recorder box or use the remote. To stop recording, press the stop button. You can also access the remote menu, select the schedule setting, enable the scheduling function, set the mode, and configure your schedule time. It allows you to set up to 3 scheduled tasks simultaneously. Press the video button on the remote to play back your recorded videos directly on your TV. Additionally, you can connect the device to your laptop through the TO PC port and Livestream on Windows, Mac, Linux, or Android with ultra-low latency. The next-gen 4K standalone video recorder lets you record 4K videos directly onto a USB flash drive or an external hard drive and play them back instantly for your home entertainment. Hope you enjoy this video. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Electronic Secret for more informative and tech videos. See you in the next video.